If you sell on Etsy and want to find winning products, you might have heard of Marmalead. It's a product research tool made for Etsy sellers, helping you find trending keywords, analyze competition, and price your items smartly. Great if you're new to Etsy or struggling to come up with profitable product ideas. But here's the deal. Marmalead doesn't pull live data like some newer tools do. It gives estimates based on past trends, so results can be hit or miss depending on your niche. Pricing starts at around $20 a month, which is fair if it helps you find a good product idea. But some users say it's not always worth it unless you're serious about scaling. So, should you use it? If you're just starting out and need help finding what to sell, yes, give it a try. But if you already know your niche or want real-time sales data, you might want something like eRank or Allura instead. Let me know if you use Marmalead for your Etsy shop. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.